Section 7-1, Part 3. You can describe data from a table using ordered pairs, so a relation can be also defined using a table of values. Looking here at this chart, here you have in the first column hours worked, 0, 1, 2, and 3. In your second column, you have the pay, dollar amount, 0, 12, 24, and 36. So if you were to write ordered pairs to represent this chart, 0 corresponds with 0. In other words, if you worked 0 hours, you make $0. 1 corresponds with 12. If you work 1 hour, you earn $12. 2 corresponds with 24. If you work 2 hours, you get paid $24. 3 corresponds with 36. So if you work 3 hours, you will get $36. So see, here you have that data from this table using ordered pairs can also describe other things other than just numbers. It can describe hours worked and the pay you will receive. Now, next, I want us to look at some more examples of recognizing functions. So let's look at these examples here of recognizing functions. So looking at A, is each relation a function? Here you have 1 corresponding to 3, 1 is also corresponding to 2. I see that the 1s repeat, therefore this is not a function. This is not a function because the input values repeat. Looking at B, do the x's repeat? No, they do not. Therefore, yes, this is a function. And C, look at the x's. Do the input values repeat? They do not. Therefore, yes, this is a function. Okay? You can also draw the mappings like we did previously. Here is A part. Here you have the chart. Here you have the mapping. You can see that the 1 is repeating. You have 1, 3, 1 corresponds with 3, and 1 also corresponds with 2. Again, this is the reason why this is not a function. So A part is not a function. Looking at B here, you see that the x's do not repeat. The input values do not repeat. You have -3 corresponds to -5. -2 corresponds to -5. -1 corresponds to -5. And 0 corresponds to -5. The x's do not repeat. Therefore, yes, this is a function. So that's the reason why B part is a function. And looking at C, you see that the x's do not repeat. Every x pairs up with exactly 1 y. So I'd have 0, 12, 1, 14, 2, 16, and 3, 18. So yes, this is a function because the input values, which are the x values, do not repeat.